Alright, here's one. Number 17. As you can tell, it didn't scan very well, but I think it scanned good enough. What is the approximate distance between the 2 points? So here are the 2 points. I'm going to connect them. Alright, they want to know what's that distance. The issue is it's diagonal. I can't just count the lines. Okay. Now because it's multiple choice, I guess technically you can kind of guesstimate, but I don't want you to have to guesstimate. What I'd prefer is for you to use math to get to the correct answer. So in this case, what we're going to do, here's the trick. Let's see if I can change the color. What we're going to do is I'm going to draw a line straight down and a line straight over. And what this is going to form is it's going to form a right triangle. Okay? And so because I have a right triangle, I can use Pythagorean theorem. This is side A, here's side B, and there's side C. And so what I'm going to do is use A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And side A, if I had to count it, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So side A is 4, so I'm going to have to square that in a little bit. Plus side B is 1, 2 units. I'll square that later. And that's going to equal C squared. So 4 squared is 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 times 2 is 4. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So C squared equals 20. But be careful. Look at this. Look, you see how they're trying to trick us? They'll do that on CRCT also. They gave us an option where C equals 20. They are really trying to trick us here because guess what? C does not equal 20. We never said it did. What we're saying is C squared equals 20. What that means is there's a square coming off of side C and it has an area of 20 in there. But what they want to know is what is the length of side C. In other words, what's the square root of 20? And, well, trying to find the square root of 20, that's irrational because you can't find the square root of 20 and get a whole number answer. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the approximate distance, or what approximately is the square root of 20. So let's try different things. Let's see. 3 times 3 equals 9. Too low. 4 times 4 equals 16. Too low. 5 times 5 equals 25. Too high. Alright, so 14 is too low. 5 is too high. So I know anything higher than 5 is not going to be the answer. So that's not the answer. That's not the answer. That's not the answer. 4.4? Yeah, I could see how that would be kind of close to 20. If you do 4.4 times 4.4, I think you get 19 point something, like 36 or something like that. Something that's real close. So 19 point something. So that is obviously very close to 20. So that's why the correct answer is A.